Hi there, this is Grooving in G and welcome back to my bite-sized tutorial series for Audio Finder. Today we're talking about connecting Finder with Audio Finder and some quick tips to help speed up your workflows. If you're like me, you'll often be browsing around in different folders in your Finder looking at audio files. Now I've found some files I want to listen to and I want to get them into Audio Finder so I can demo them in there. The quickest way to do this is to have it set up so when you double click a file it instantly opens in Audio Finder. Now this is especially useful because you can actually have Audio Finder closed and then you double click the file and it'll actually go and open up Audio Finder for you. So to set this up, you go to an audio file and you right click get info, and then in this left column where it says opens with, you select Audio Finder from this list and then you hit change all and continue, and now all your WAV files will open with Audio Finder whenever you click them. Now you've got this file into Audio Finder and it's automatically gone into your favorites bin. What you want to do is now view the folder where it came from, so you can right click and if you go show in browser, it now shows you the file path where all these files came from, which means you can actually click back through this if you want to look at other folders and files, and you've instantly got right from the place you were in Finder into Audio Finder with the added control that this program now gives you.